How to create a photo collage on Facebook story. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create photo collage on Facebook story. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, tap on Create Your Story. Now select the pictures that you want to add. Now with the help of your fingertip, you can resize the size of this picture. Now to add another picture and create a photo collage, again navigate to this menu bar on your right hand side. From there you have to tap on stickers. And here again you have to tap on picture icon, scroll down a bit, and then there is this picture icon, so tap on it. Again you get to select another picture that you want to add. So again, with the help of your fingertip, you can drag and create a collage according to your choice. Again, you can keep on adding pictures and then create a photo collage according to your preferences. Once you're done, simply tap on share, and that's how you create a photo collage on Facebook story. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.